Van Roy just possessing Siema, holds it across on the turn, step away! Well, they find the equaliser through a man who just can't stop scoring at the moment. Tukazani Kumalo netted his first ever Arrows goal over the weekend. Now he has the equaliser against one of the superpowers of South African football.
Yeah, Grant, we spoke about the run that Van Roy is going to make, the pressure that's going to put on him. He battles again with Siema. You will.
Worth repeating as Simbata goes striding through, looking for Maswanganyi that sets up. Butuma restores the lead. They were behind only for a matter of moments. For the half dozen times he's come up against Arrows previously, he's never managed to score. And now he does.
Yeah, Mbatabe done well. Details all showing composure, and also Butuma not using power, using the ground to his advantage, because the ground, it is very wet, it skips. The ball will move a little bit quicker, but Mbata finding himself at the right
month. Man has had a tough start to the season just in terms of his goal contributions. Because in Mbukazi, TLB providing some extra
defensive centre backs. You have to try and go out wide to be able to bring the balls in, because once you go in, there's enough numbers there for Orlando Pirates to be able to defend.
There's Mofokeng. Floated beautifully to Butuma to wrap it up! Well, Mofokeng will soak in the acclaim from the crowds for that sublime assist. Butuma still had a lot to do and finished expertly.
Okay, so you look at the game as well, not enough defensive players from Golden Arrows, because he's trying to pile up the game going forward, add more numbers going forward to try and actually get that equalizer. Orlando Pirates, you look at it, was just Mofokeng and Butuma really, really troubling